Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Like the title says, I've bought a few more of the Kmart bath and body range products, and I haven't had a chance to try any of them out yet because I've been actually in the process of redoing our ensuite and getting that decorated and doing it up a little bit. So once my bathroom's finished, I do plan on giving all this stuff a go and hopefully doing a couple of reviews for you guys too, just to let you know what I think. It's all very affordable. Most of the products are $2, $3, not much more than $5. I'm really loving them actually. Like, I think they're a nice range. They smell great anyway. So yeah, I'll get stuck in and show you what I've bought. So first up, I've bought a few products from this range already. So it's the hand and body wash and the hand and body lotion, and this is in the chia seed oil scent. And it contains shea butter, lemongrass, is it lang lang? And they're paraben and MIT free. And these were only $2 each. And they're quite a big bottle, like the 250 ml. So one's the body wash and one's the body lotion. And that they are in the same fragrance as the bath fizzes and the body scrubs that I picked up last week. So that's those two. Also from that same scented range, they've now come out with a bath powder, which I'm assuming is like a bath salt type powder that you can put in your bath and it dissolves and helps soften your skin. They were, I'm pretty sure, $3, and I also picked up the same one in the vitamin C fragrance as well. So yeah, and I like to, when I'm having, like when I use beauty products or body products, I like to have the same scent follow through. So I like to have the same scented soap, body lotion, body wash, bath salts, all that sort of thing. So I like the fragrance to be consistent all the way through. So that way, you know, you can sort of smell it on your skin in layers as well. The other thing I picked up here, this actually smelled really nice. It's a 2-pack of body lotion and body scrub with grapeseed extract. So the fragrance is mandarin rind and rosemary. And it says it's a scented exfoliating duo. And I think this was $5 for the pack. And they're quite a good size as well. Both got 200 ml in them. And I actually opened up the pack and smelt it, and they were really, really nice, fresh, citrusy smell. The next thing I bought, now these, I'm not quite sure what they are. I mean, I know what they are, but I'm not 100% sure on whether they're a one-time use thing or whether it's a just you can continue to use it. But one of them is a konjac, hopefully I'm pronouncing this right, a konjac body buffer. So it's like a little sponge that you massage. It says you massage all over your body with medium pressure in a circular motion. Use once a week for glowing results. But I don't know if you can see it in there. It's already like moist. Oh God, that word, I hate that word, but it's already sort of like wet inside. And yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm pretty sure you would use it more than once, but it's just really, yeah, I'm just really interested to try that just to see what it does. So that's the one in, I'm assuming it's the same fragrance as the chia seed oil one because it's got the same colored packaging. And then this one here, similar sort of thing, but it's a charcoal detoxifying and cleansing sponge. And that one's a little bit bigger. And again, I don't know if you can see, but it looks like it's, what other word can I use? Wet, like it looks like it's wet already inside. So yeah, it's very interesting. I'm pretty keen to give those a go and just to see what they actually do. And those were about $2 or $3 each as well. If any of you guys have already used them and you've tried them out, let me know what you think, or what, like, I mean, obviously I'm pretty sure they're more than a one-time use, but yeah, just let me know how you use it and what you think of it. So that's those. I did pick up a few more of these face sheet masks, only because why not? So I bought, I'm not sure if I've purchased the same ones already, but you know, I don't, they're all $3, so I mean, they're all gonna get used. It won't matter if I've got doubles. So the first one I bought is a Moisturizing Refreshing Bamboo Facial Sheet. So it's a sheet that you actually press over your face. And the other two I got was that's the Vitamin C fragrance. And then this one again is the shea butter and jojoba oil. And because they're so affordable, I mean, I guess you can't expect too much, but if they're not that great, well, you haven't really lost much, like $3 really. I have purchased a few more of these face masks. Now, I'm not sure which ones I've already got and which ones I don't, so I've probably doubled up on a few of these too, but I'll just show you the ones that I think I haven't shown you before. So this one's a blood orange fragranced one, and that's for a revitalizing face mask. The other new one I found was a rose hip one, which is a moisturizing one. The other one I found was a juniper berry one, which is a soothing one. Seaweed is nourishing, coffee is firming, and carrot seed is nourishing again. So that's those three. This one is a chia seed revitalizing, a white tea, which is firming, pink grapefruit, which is glowing, and a pink clay, which is cleansing. So those are all the face masks I picked up. The other thing I picked up was this body massage brush. I normally use those loofahs, those big spongy loofah things in the shower, but I just thought for when I have my bath and I've got all the products in my bath, I just thought these might be nice. Put some of the body scrub on and then massage it all over with this, and it's got the little massage bumps here that are pretty flexible, and the bristles are quite stiff, which is what I like, because I mean that's good to get all your circulation going. This was $9. The last things I picked up from Kmart, this is more home fragrance. I just noticed they had a few new range of wax melts out, so I picked up I picked up 4, but I've picked up 2 of those because I like the smell of that one. These are the new style of wax melts, what they have out at the moment. These were $4 for a packet. So this one is a Rejuvenate fragrance. This is the lavender one. I mean, obviously lavender smell. And this one is the Restore one. So if you like the wax melts at Kmart, I burn them all the time at my house. I like them. So that's those. Now, last but not least, I just got a couple of little things from Target. Oh, and I've got one more extra thing from Kmart. So I'll show you what I've bought anyway. So I've got this little lip gloss here. This was a Kmart lip gloss. It's the OXX range, and it was only $2. And I'm not a big fan of spending a lot on a single item of makeup. I don't mind spending a lot of money, but I like to get a lot for my money. So this is just a nice neutral lip gloss that's just handy to have in your bag and slip on if you have a lipstick emergency and you need to put some lip gloss on. And then the other couple of ones I picked up from Target were from the Essence range. I love Essence because they're so cheap. These were, I'm pretty sure they're only about $4 each. They're actually a matte lip gloss, which is, I really like the matte look. So yeah, and I got those in like the neutral tone. So this light pink one here is called, oh, of course they've got weird names, La Vie Est Belle. I'm sure I'm butchering that. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be said in a French accent, but La Vie Est Belle. So baby pink. Let's just say baby pink. Then this one is so the number on it, this is number 1. So the number 1 with the name. This one's number 2, and this is called Beauty Approved, and that's more of like a nude neutral. And then this one is number 3, and it's called Girl of Today, and that's sort of a nice mauvey pink. And those are the type of colors I tend to wear. And the last thing I picked up from the Essence range was this matte lipstick here, and it's number 3, and it's actually called Matte Matte Matte. I don't know if Matte Matte is the brand and matte is the color, or if it's just matte matte matte. So And that's again like a mauvey pink. I'll do the whole beauty guru thing and put my hand behind it and see if it actually focuses. But yeah, that's like a nice mauvey pink. Probably a little bit dark, so what I tend to do is put that on like lightly and then go over it with a light pink gloss. It sort of lightens it up a bit. Well, that's it for this haul, guys. I do have a couple more hauls that I will be doing, so if you see the next 3 hauls and I'm dressed the same, that's because I've done them all on the same day, and I'll just try and edit them all and get them out to you guys over the next few days. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.